What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Crypto Babe, Postcard Diva. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there on this Sunday? Shout out to the Falcons. Rise up. We had a win today. Yes. Woo-hoo! Falcon Nation. All right, guys. With that being said, I'm back to talk about daily pay income. If you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, go check out this program at www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, I've been a part of the program since 2021. Actually, that's how long it's been out, almost 3 years now. All right, so we're showing you how you can earn daily pay. Now, what I've discovered, because I've been with the platform for 2 years, is a new strategy on how I can make my day with just this program 2 hours a day. Okay, so I discovered this 2-hour day blueprint that I have implemented because I am juggling a few different projects. All right, so this helps me streamline everything. And with this process, trust me when I tell you, it absolutely works. If you can follow it, all right, if you're coachable, if you will take time to do exactly what they're telling you to do, we will hold your hand. Basically, the only thing we're not doing here is doing it for you. It's all laid out day by day what you need to do. So go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. I'm definitely speaking to my newbies out there. Okay, my veterans, they know the game, they know how this works. But I'm talking to my new people, the ones that say, "Oh, I'm new to this. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know anything about making money online. I don't know anything about funnels. I don't know anything about marketing." All right, that's wonderful. You know why? Because there's thousands of people just like you, right? But the difference is they have already taken action, they're following the steps, and we have the proof where people are doing what's being told to be done, and they're getting results, and it's working, and they've changed their situation. We have hundreds of these testimonies, and I've been showing them to you guys over and over and over and over again. So the company, the program is not on trial. It's on you, because people are doing it already. Been doing it since 2021. So we're trying to show you how simple it is to do it. All right, so we've got this community, guys. Now I was in the community and was just told we just hit 6,000 members, I believe. This group is growing by leaps and bounds, because what's happening is, I'm going to tell you in a second. Let me just make sure I got my facts together. Let's see. I believe that's what I just was notified about. Hang on a second here. I believe that's what they just mentioned, that we hit 6,000 members in here. Let me see here. Hang on a second. Let's see. I just saw that somewhere. I got a notification, actually. Hang on one second. Yes, here it is right here. We have 6,000 community members. Welcome to all the new members. Shout out to the community. This is what I'm talking about. When I got in this community, I was already in the program. I had already purchased my digital products. I think it was 5,100 or something like that. And I've only been a part of this group for maybe 2 weeks. All right. So the other great thing, guys, is I want you to know is when you're new, right? I know what you're thinking. Been there, right? You're like, okay, I'm new now. What am I going to offer people? I'm new. I don't have any freebies I can give away. That's the thing. You're going to be able to offer everybody the same thing that I'm offering you. Get into the community for free. Get in. You get a free sales funnel for free. So all you're paying for is your digital products, which I'm going to show you that in a minute. So once people sign up with you, you're going to give them your link to add them to the community. Okay, and from there, everything is there step by step. That's the thing. So you're not going to have to worry about training people, any of that stuff. All that's in the community. Everything. All right. So we've got now, we just hit 6,000 thriving community members. I'm super excited about that, from all ages. Okay. So don't worry about, oh, I think I'm too old. Any of that stuff. Throw that out the window. All right. Do you have desire to succeed? Are you going to be committed? Are you going to be coachable? That's it. All right. And implement what you're learning. We've got 5 live calls a week, step-by-step, proven simple way for you to earn daily pay on autopilot with a 2-hour workday blueprint from anywhere in the world, as long as you got a smart device and a Wi-Fi connection. Okay? And so with a 2-hour workday, you're going to have, every day you're going to be able to go into the community and click on your daily video, which is going to be very brief, anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, okay, to give you ideas of what you should be doing for the day, which is called income producing activities. Okay, if you're not touching your business every day, I don't care what it is, you should be doing income producing activities. Okay, instead of strolling through social media looking right at other people, what are you doing to make money for your business? Okay, are you producing a video? Are you making a post that's going to drive people to your website so they can see what you're offering? Do you have a business opportunity? If you don't, this is a perfect one. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Perfect for newbies. All right, so within the 2-hour work day, guys, we tell you exactly what you should be doing and how to grow your business with no monthly expenses. You don't have to pay for advertising. We show you how to do it, all right, without doing that. That is what's so great about this. All right, step by step. All right, so 3 years, just about almost 3 years that this program has been around. So again, it's already been proven. We give you the exact blueprint. All right, so let me show you the products. You can get in where you fit in. We'll talk about that. Let's take a look. Hang on. All right, so I've explained to you what you're going to get outside of purchasing your digital products, because that's key. That is truly key. Let me tell you, way back when, 2012, 2013, when I got started online, if I had something like this, I would have been so much further ahead. Okay? When you have to learn this stuff and you have nobody to tell you how to do it, you just kind of find your way online and you go into this black hole, okay, the rabbit hole, and you stumble on things and you have no idea the mechanics of it all, okay? You just see, oh, this looks great, and you buy something and you really don't know, well, how you're supposed to market it. You fail miserably. I've been there, done that, okay? There is a process with anything when you get into it. How does it work? You got to find out the mechanics. So this, we've taken out all of the guesswork. It's laid out. When I tell you it's laid out, it's laid out. So I've given you up front what you're going to get beyond the product. Okay, you're going to buy the products, but now what? Okay, do I have support? Do I have people that's like me that I can engage with? Am I going to get my questions answered after I buy the product? That was one of the biggest things when I got online, and it still happens today, because I get those people that call me, hey, I bought this product from this person, and it's like they went MIA. All right, so you've paid someone and now you can't get support from them. So you be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. That's the great thing. And then I'm here, number one, for support. But now we've got 6,000 members that you can get into the community and get your questions answered. Okay? And that is what's going to keep you in the game, the support. Because a lot of times, right, you feel like you want to give up. Hey, I got this. It's not working. I don't see any results. What am I missing? Guess what? You got a community now. We can help you through it all. All right? So, follow our simple 3-step system to start making 100% commissions. That's the other thing I love about digital marketing. Once I discovered this, because I once upon a time was in network marketing like most of you guys, MLM. I had a great product that I was trying to promote, didn't know how to market it online, right? And just couldn't get it done without a process. And guess what? I wasn't earning 100% commission at all. All right, you got this wonderful product and you don't know that there's other programs out here. There's such a thing as direct sales, member to member, digital marketing, any of that stuff. You had no idea. All right, you're getting peanuts and spending a lot of time, a lot of hours chasing people, chasing family, chasing friends, chasing your coworkers. Everywhere you go, you're being told to implement the 3-step rule. Some of you guys know what I'm talking about. This 3-foot rule. The 3-foot rule. Anybody within 3 feet, hey, got a great opportunity for you. Hey, hold on. You look like you keep your options open. You know those lines, right? Don't have to do any of that. Love it. Digital marketing. Okay. When I discovered 100% commissions, never look back. All right. So that's what you've got here. So you get started. You're going to select your digital products. I'm going to show you those. We show you, this is just one of the ways how you can post ads on social media. It's not just posting ads. It's a lot more to it than that. But that's just the basics to give you an idea of how simple it can be. Okay? And then step 3, get paid. Start collecting your 100% daily commission straight to your account. Any way you like. We give you 3 options that you can list on how you'd like to get paid. All right, guys, so let me show you those products real quick. Hang on. All right, guys, let's start here. The starter level, okay, is $50. The influencer brand marketing is only $50. All right, and you can only earn $50. That's the highest you can make. Now, if you don't own the other products, you can't sell the other products. All right, so if you only own this 50, you can't go sell the 150. It's not going to work that way. If you don't own it, you can't sell it. All right. So you got your influencer brand. It's $39 for your website. So to get started here, it's just what it says, a starter level. Okay. It's $39 for your website one time. All right. All of this is a one-time investment. Then you've got your elite, which is your internet automation secrets. It's $150. Again, it's $39 for the website on top of that, right? But if you purchase this one, you also get this one. Okay. Then the next most popular, one of the most popular, the second most popular is the 300 Pro level, the 6-figure blueprint. This one right here is when I got started 2 years ago. This is the highest level they had. They only had 3 products, $50, $150, and the 300. And this one has been booming until they came up with the second one I'm getting ready to show you that came out last year this time. All right, but this one, if you're looking for full-time income, this one, okay, would be one. It's $300 and it's $39 for your website. Okay, if you get this one, you get all the other 2 for free. Okay, everything below this one is free. Now, this is the number 1. Okay, this is the Mac Daddy of them all. The $600 super affiliate. Because with this one, you learn how to be a content creator. You learn how to make if you want to create your own digital products. It's just a lot of good training that you're going to get in here. Not to mention, you're going to make $600 commissions. Okay, every time someone purchases this product. And guess what? That means you're all in. When you purchase this one, you get everything. All the other 3 are included. All right, and this website for this one is $59. So you basically get a business in a box, guys, for $659. Let me tell you, I've purchased $1,000 programs. I've spent $1,500, $2,000 for digital programs. All right, but I have switched over to this one being my number 1. Of course, I have my other ones, okay, because there's different programs for different people. But I am putting all my effort into this program as my number 1 digital program because of the community and everything else that we have to offer you beyond just having the product. Okay, so I'm all in. 659 you're in. Now we're still pushing the Black Friday special. So if you get this program right here, this product, I'm waiving the $59. So all you got to pay today is $600. If you get this one, all you got to pay is $300. I'm waiving the $39 just for this one and just for this one. All right, because this is for the serious and not the curious. All right, so if you're serious about being a digital marketer and learning how to make money online, we're here for you. All right, and so that's what I'm doing for Black Friday. All right, these other two is $39 one-time website fee. So it'll be 50 plus the 39. So you're looking at 89. If you get this one, add 39 to this one, is 189. All right, but these two, if you buy during Black Friday weekend, Cyber Monday, I'm waiving that. All right, so there you have it. These are the two popular ones that people are coming in at, and I recently upgraded to the $600. I was at this level right here, right? And I decided to upgrade because of what I discovered with the 2-hour work day. And I knew that people, once people sign up with me, most people are new. So now they have something to offer other people when they come in. The community, 6,000 people in the community, like-minded people like you and I, that have implemented these processes step by step. They're showing you how to do it, and it's working. Okay, all right, so let's go also look at the community and see some more results that people are having, not just me, other people too. So let's check it out. All right, so here we are. Here's somebody just said they made their first $150 sale. Shout out to Susan. Here's another person. My very first win, 25 days with consistency. I made my first $150 sale. Okay. Somebody made a $600 sale. I mean, guys, it's on and on. Excited to another start of $50. Somebody made $50. Okay. This thing is working. Okay. It's just working. Alright guys, so if you're ready to get started earning daily pay, and we're holding your hand to show you exactly how to do this with our simple formula, go check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. Take advantage of this Black Friday special. Okay, take advantage. This is going to run, I'm going to go ahead and run it through Cyber Monday midnight. Alright guys, so go check it out, see what it's all about. www.thecopypastemethod.com. Look forward to locking arms with you and working with you. See you on the inside. Be safe out there. Don't forget to smash it on your way out. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.